Hello everyone, it is Susan here, and today I have such a fun video. I actually won a giveaway. It was from Brittany Linger, and I'll have her YouTube channel below. And yeah, she was having a 200 subscriber giveaway, and she's almost at 300 now, so good for her. She is rocking it. But I did win, so I wanted to share the winnings with you all because I'm super, super, super excited to have a lot of fun stuff to play with. So I'm just going to start pulling stuff out and I will share it all with you. So this is a journal that she made from a Crayola box. Like, how brilliant is that? Look at, oh my gosh, I can't even. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. So it is super, super, super duper cute. Oh, Brittany, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. So my mind is already going like, okay, how am I going to use this? I have a few different ideas going on in my head. Yeah, one of them being, tracking all of the projects that I work on because I do, somehow end up with a lot to do, which I love. You know what? Let me just zoom in just a tad. Awesomeness. And look at this. Oh my gosh. So this is paper towel. Is it paper towel? I would say, or something like that has her sprays on it that she has used. Awesome for collage. Awesome. So that's great. Oh my gosh, it's quite a big box, so I don't want to take too long. So I'm going to go a little quickly. I was looking for something like this. I think it was just yesterday. See, a little notebook. You gotta love them. You gotta love them. Super pretty. Oh, look at how cute. Oh my gosh, this is the kind of stuff that I love because I get to pull this all apart and use it in my junk journals. And oh my gosh, look at those flowers. Oh, wow, beautiful. Oh, how pretty. How gorgeous. But anyway, especially with the spring right around the corner. Oh my gosh. Oh, look it. You made these. Oh, wow. Super cute. Wow, I'm impressed. I don't do stuff like that. So getting stuff like that is super special to me because otherwise I don't have anything made like that. I don't use oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I don't use like a Cricut. Look at this envelope. I think she made this envelope. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it's an envelope. Wow, filled with, oh my gosh. I'm going to put this whole thing right with my cloth covered junk journal because these are just absolutely perfect. Super exciting. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't use a Cricut. I don't use a Big Shot, embossing. I don't do that. Ooh, bags. Brown paper bags are one of my all-time favorite things to use. And here's a couple white ones. You know what? I think I might even make a junk journal out of these, the 6 of these. I had one long ago. And oh, look at the cute stickers. Very, very long ago. And I loved it. Loved it. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So maybe I'll do that again. Oh, look at the colors. You just give me anything with pink on it and I'm a happy camper. Super pretty. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. These are like from a note paper. Oh my gosh. Look at all this stuff. Brittany, you're going to keep me like a busy bee here for sure some fun little ephemera. Oh, and then here's some like painty papers. Oh, I love stuff like this. Oh, look at how gorgeous this paper is. Oh, I'm in love. I am in love with that. I'm in love with all this paper, but look at this. Look at the bottom. Brittany, how did you get the bottom so dark like that? Oh my goodness. And look at the pretty, oh my God. All right. I'm going to try not to drool too much, but I just love, look at that. I'm just loving all this fun stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's some more of these. Again, super fun for ephemera. Right? So when you go to like doctor's offices and stuff, definitely grab. Oh, these are nice and hard. Definitely grab, you know, some of the business cards. You know, not a lot. You don't want to, you know. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are faith-based. Beautiful. 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 Fun little, look at all these little papers. This is great because I don't have a lot of really colorful small papers. That's awesome. Another thing that you can do, oh, these are so cute, is when, oh, look at this. She made, this is an AT coin. She made for a challenge. Wow. Awesome. You know, I have to keep that out because I have to put that in my December daily. Oh, here's some more of these. You know, another thing that you can do is like if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever you have in your area, you know, grab just a few of the cards with the different color paints on them. You know, like the paint swatches. Look how pretty. Oh, look at them all. Oh my gosh, these would be fun to build some little clusters around. Ooh, I'm going to hold those out. Okay. And I love circles. I think any page can have circles. Circles are important. And of course, she knows to send 3 because that's right. That's the number. Oh, look at look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, and Project Life cards. Gotta love them. Can always use those for any type of journaling. You know what? Joy. I just did a page about joy. I'm going to pull these Christmas ones out. So yeah, so if you have some of those paint samples, those are always fun to add to a journal. I need these little pockets. I don't have these little envelopes and look at the little tags. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, this is awesomeness. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I need to speed it up just a little bit. We are, I don't know, a third done. So these are awesome because next year, I think you're going to be seeing me do something with these. I have a plan in my head. I'm going to pull those out too because that has to go with something else. And oh, look at how beautiful with the feathers. A playing card with the feathers. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. So these are calendar pages. You know, I use calendar pages all the time. Super pretty. Super pretty, Brittany. Yeah, I do. I have ones like with high heels on them, like all different kinds of heels. Oh, look at confetti. Oh my gosh, this will be fun to use. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, we got some more circles. Oh, these are nice. Oh, they're beautiful. And I love doilies. Gotta love doilies. Love doilies. I have like, oh, look at a little cluster. Is this a cluster you made on Crafty Clusters? I think it is. Oh my gosh. All right, that's got to come out. That's going to go with the Christmas stuff. All right, and I can make big wooden like collages. Ooh, these are fun. These you can use for mark making, right? You put it in ink and then you put it on your paper and you got some pretty marks. Super nice. Oh, and there's a third one. Okay, so let's see. Oh, here's another 80 coin. Okay, going in with my Christmas stuff. Oh, look at this. Wow. A whole roll of like adding machine tape. Super cool. That's going to stay on my desk. All right, and I have, oh, look at this. Beautiful stuff, Brittany. Oh, and I love Rick Rack, and I'm getting low on Rick Rack. I'm actually putting the Rick Rack with my Christmas stuff because I'm getting low on Rick Rack. And look at the, oh, that's got to go with Christmas too. Wow. Oh, and look at these. I haven't seen ones quite like this. These are a good size. Super fun. Super duper duper fun. What is in here? Oh, let's see. There's something in here. Oh, look at the little paper clips and everything. Oh, fun. This is like really awesome to hold these little types of trinkets. Very good. Very good. Okay, got some glue sticks, which I love. So that's going to go right here on my desk. I just put those in my little bin. Wreck this journal. Oh, look at this. This reminds me of a Smash book. Wow. Right, the Smash books are made by what? Simple Stories, I believe. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is fun. Oh, I have to think how I'm going to use that. All right, so here's some more. So we got some fun bingo. We have some money. This is all such great ephemera to use. Look at this. We got some little labels. Awesomeness. And a stencil. Oh my gosh, and another little book. I'm telling you, I swear, I was just looking for something exactly like that, and I think it was yesterday. Okay, so these are going in with my December daily stuff. Look at the sticker book. Oh my gosh. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at this. Brittany made this. You can tell it's handmade. Look at with all the envelopes. Oh, and look at this. So it's a little like pad of paper. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm working on 2 junk journals. This is going to go right with that junk journal stuff because this is perfect for me to add. Perfect. Exactly what I need. Oh, and more envelopes. You know, I give you so much credit. Oh, is this all together? Oh my gosh. Oops. I have a little penguin. I got a little penguin. Christmas. Look at how cool that is. Can you see that? Brittany, that's brilliant. That is stinking brilliant. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Super cool. All right, that has to go with my junk journal stuff too. That is super cool. All right, so we're down to the end. I'm just going to take it all out. And wow, this was quite the winning for sure. And you know how when you watch a video and it's like, you know, they're going to announce, you know, the winner. And it's like, and you don't expect your name to be called, you know, so it's like such a shock when your name is actually called. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, we got more beautiful feathers. Awesome. Super pretty. Oh, we have the little, I think this looks like it came from the, what is that kit called? Can't remember right now. Ooh, little circles. Little circles. I love circles, as you can tell. And these, I think they feel like stickers. Super fun. I've got another little penguin. He's going with my Christmas. Ooh, and washi tape. My brother is my superhero. Oh, my father. I love my... Nope, my brother is my superhero. Super cool. Super cool. Oh, and got one of these. Like, oops. I broke it already. Ooh, I was doing it the wrong way. I'm going to cut myself here. I want an X-Acto knife. This, I'm sure, just slips right in there. I'll fix it. Sorry, Brittany. I'll fix it. And fun little stickers. Ooh, and some embroidery thread. I'm going to put that with all of my slow stitch stuff right away. This kind of stuff I love. I love that kind of like ephemera type stuff. And another little cluster. Woo, woo. Oh, and look at this. What a charm this is. Look at that. I wonder if I can add this to one of the junk journals that I'm making right now. I could. Oh, and pretty washi. A pretty, like a turquoise type washi. Super pretty. And more feathers. Oh, and a little, oh, look at how cute. To hang. Oh my gosh. See, I don't do miniature. And wow, that is super cute. I love it. And paper clips, and it's pink, my favorite color. So wow, Brittany, thank you so much for these fun winnings. I love all the stuff that you made that's in here, and all just everything that you added is a ton of fun. And my mind is going 100 miles an hour thinking, I can use that on that, and I can use that on that. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. And everybody, please check out Brittany's channel. The link will be below in my description box. Thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.